We spend hours scrolling, watching, and consuming content online. But have you ever paused and asked, are the stories we see setting limit on us?
Ang media, from Netflix to TikTok, isn't just entertainment. It's a powerful lens that shapes what we think is possible for every gender.
Tignan natin ang media. Ang major problem natin dito ay ang stereotyping. Stereotyping? It's the same old narrative. Women are either saints or sirens, and men, they must be emotionless providers. This is so limiting.
I used to feel na kailangan kong maging super tough para seryosohin ako sa school.
Because in every movie, the strong female lead is always cold.
This limits aspiration. Sa real world, this translates to huge issues, lalo na sa workplace and family settings.
The good news is, we are the generation that can change this. We should demand media that champions complexity, authenticity, and diversity.
We need a character with complexity and people who are strong and emotional, like male characters na nag-express ng vulnerability and female characters who are successful without needing to choose between love and career. That's real empowerment.
We have to support authenticity. Stories should come from the people they are about. If it's about the core community, let's hear from core voices. Diversity is non-negotiable. It needs to be multiracial, multi-ability, and multi-gender.
Skull Button is your tool for change. The online presence can promote equality and demand better media.